Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Ford Explorer. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of engine oil. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Then, locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter for easy access underneath the vehicle. Now, place your oil drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once the oil flow has stopped, securely replace the drain plug, ensuring it is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications to prevent leaks. Next, use an oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Be ready for a small amount of oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, carefully screw on the new filter until it's hand-tight, plus about 1/4 of a turn. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil. After adding the new oil, check the oil level using the dipstick and add more if needed to reach the full mark. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and recheck the level. Finally, inspect thoroughly for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.